Hi guys, today I will bring you something very exciting that I have been working on, and is a custom Power BI custom visual. Yeah, it is a Power BI custom visual. So in the last like 5 months, I have been involved in different projects where the requirement was, of course, to create an amazing report and using nice visuals. But the problem is that, in my opinion, the visuals that Power BI offers are a little bit outdated. And so I started thinking how to improve the visualization and the look and feel of the report. So I started creating different custom visuals. Of course, I use also the the native visuals, but there are some cases that I had that where I had to create custom visuals. Um, and I say, okay, now we are in the FIFA World Cup. So why to not create like a nice custom visual to just feature the schedule of the different games, like starting in a round of 32, right? Like this. So I say, okay, let's do it and let's show how amazing can be custom visual in a pbiviz file, right? In Power BI. So like looking at this, you can think that you can create anything, you know, in custom visuals and then represent the reports in another way. So let's come to the first page. Okay, so in here I have imported this visual, okay, from my local. Okay, so this is the pbiviz file. Okay, and let's see. So for that I have an Excel sheet of the raw data, and let's start moving the thing. So here, if you see the fields, has the name of the column, right? So let's move the different things here. So let's move first round. So when I move round here, let's remove the title actually. When I move the first field, it will show this that you need to complete to see the diagram. These are the minimal things you have to complete to see the diagram, right? So then let's go to half position team one rank, okay, and then let's skip flag for now. Let's go to team two, okay, and team two rank, this one. Okay, so see now the diagram is there. Okay, so now let's see. Let's put the other field. So the flags first. Let's put flags. So flags team one. Okay, then let's put flags team two. Okay, then team one goes, team one pens, and team two goals, and team two pens. Perfect. Excellent. So now let's hide this data field, and let's see what this is. So here, of course, this is like a mock-up, right? Because I mean this still didn't happen. So, but it's a good way to represent what is going on. And okay, so these numbers, these calls, number three, let me yeah, number three, numbers like number two. So here, if as you can see, this data is coming from the source, the Excel sheet. So what's happened if I say, okay, I want to change it manually, and and see here, for example, let's say, okay, Portugal versus Croatia. So Portugal won four penalties. So Portugal mm, Portugal went to the next round, right? Um, let's see now the other feature I have added, that is when I want to add the goals manually. So let's say, okay, I want to add the goals here, and let's put maybe Paraguay that won 4-3. So as you can see, when both are the same, you will see here the penalties, right? Where you can put then I mean, who made the more penalties and who did the more penalties and won. But also if I put here Paraguay 4, here it will change to Paraguay, right? It will change to Paraguay and say, okay, Paraguay won. Here, same, see here, France won or 0 or like, for example, France 1-1 penalties or Paraguay 2-1 and Paraguay went to the next round. And that's it. That is the same with every single game, right? So yeah, when it is like a 0-0, you have to touch there because 0-0 maybe is because the game starts, so it's like not like completely like done. So then here in penalties you have to put, right, who win. If you put like maybe like Paraguay won, and here Paraguay is is in semifinals, right? So well, I mean, this is like a very nice way to show you how I mean, how amazing um, what amazing things you can do using custom visuals, creating custom visuals. And please don't hesitate to do it because um, you will see that the report will have another representation, another look and feel, another way to see the data, and the customer will be very happy and say, oh wow, what is this? And yeah, so okay guys, um I wanted just to bring you this because I think it's amazing. It's an amazing way to show you what all you can do with the custom visuals. Okay guys, thank you for your attention, and I hope you repost this and you like it and repost this to the network. Thank you so much.